Hello, welcome to Water Sign Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Water Sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Take only what resonates. For those of you na hindi pa nakasubscribe, subscribe na lang guys. And if you want to book a personal reading, virgophilippines@gmail.com. Meron din akong Facebook guys, Facebook page namin, Madam P. And yan, ang isearch mo doon sa Facebook is, you know, um, hashtag Water Sign Philippines. Ayan, dito ka pwedeng mag-follow sa akin. May mga sinishare ako dito na hindi ko sinishare dito sa YouTube. So, sana ma-follow mo rin ako doon. Tsaka mas maganda doon makipag-interact sa inyo guys. Kasi nakikita ko yung mga mukha ninyo. I mean, may mga profile yung iba. Dito kasi sa YouTube is wala, no? Yung iba na naka-username ka. So, hindi ako maka-interact sa inyo or hindi ko makita yung inyong mga nagagandahan at nagpopogi ang mga mukha. So, sana mag-follow din po kayo doon. So, let's start what we have here for water sign. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Justice card is here. Three of Swords is here. Okay. Ten of Cups is at the bottom of the deck. Gusto ko na rin kunin yung sa side ng person mo. Okay. Ten of Cups. Okay. The Magician. Strength card. Justice card, I feel like you are, guys, water sign. Pwede yung iba sa inyo nasa isang relationship, marriage, or, yung iba, kung hindi ka pa naman kasal, or maybe you're single or what, this could mean family, no? Pwede ikaw ay nasa pamilya na uh, with the Three of Swords, you're not happy, hindi ka masaya, nasasaktan ka, and with the Strength card, maybe, well, Strength card ito, this is Leo energy. Some of you may tao na nagiging dahilan para masaktan ka ngayon diyan sa kung nasaan ka. Like, I don't know if that is a relationship, yung iba relationship with the Justice card. Pero with the Ten of Cups kasi, you could be dealing with, a family. Na nakikita natin na pwedeng with the Magician, meron ng mga bagay na natatago dito. Maybe emotions, feelings, or something to do with legal matter, or yung iba sa inyo, you could be having like a third party situation, or yung iba naman sa inyo, kung wala ka naman third party, maybe you are in love with someone na nagiging dahilan para maging tago itong pagkagusto mo dito sa taong to, or maybe maybe you are having third party, but ito ay pagmumulan, or may mga away or magagalit. Yung iba, kung wala ka namang third party, this could be, sa pamilya mo, pwedeng there's something na nagiging dahilan, maybe a third party situation. For example, your dad, no? Pwedeng meron siyang third party situation na nakakapagpalungkot sa'yo, nakakapagpasakit sa'yo. So, alam mo, iba-iba, no? Iba-iba. But for what I can see here, this is really breaking your heart kasi you want to be honest sa sarili mo, or you want to be honest dito sa maybe sa emotions mo, no? But part of you is that hindi pwede for now. And then the Magician is here, so pwede itong taong to wala siyang kaalam-alam, no? Na may kakonect or may emotions na nararamdaman ka sa isang tao. Yan, yung iba sa inyo. And yeah, this could be a family member, or your husband, your wife kind of energy. Wala siyang kaalam-alam. So, pero sa'yo, pwedeng tinatry mo lang ipikit or magbulag-bulagan dito. Pero alam mo ko sa sarili mo kasi kung ano yung totoo. So, anyway, I just saw hair. So, I don't know, maybe may something ang ginawa sa buhok mo, or thinking of doing something sa buhok mo, or before ka manood ng video, naisip mo, bagay kaya sa akin ng kulot, magpakulot kaya ako, or okay ba sa akin ng rebond, or what if magpabangs ako, something to do with that. Pwedeng hindi mo naman literal na gagawain, naisipan lang or napa-question lang, ganun. Or yung iba talagang may plano or may pagkagusto. Something to do with ano ng buhok. Or yung iba wigs, if you're into wigs, you know. So, emotions, the 9 of Cups and the 3 of Wands, okay. Knight of Cups and the 7. Alam mo, napakalayo. Sa totoo lang, napakalayo ng energy nito. Why? Kasi pwedeng hindi nga talaga ninyo alam, or hindi niya alam, or etong other person, etong kakonect mo na ito is, hindi niya alam yung nangyayari sa'yo or nararamdaman mo, nasa isip mo or what. I mean, pwedeng itinatago mo lang lahat ng nasa emotions mo or nasa isip mo. 9 of Cups is showing to me as your emotions. Well, pwedeng, yeah, you do have other options. And yung other option na yun, yung nami-miss mo. The star is here, so pwedeng pangarap or gusto mo itong person na to, but you feel like itong person na to is nagmo-move on or naka-move on na. So this could be an ex or a person in the past with the devil, Capricorn energy. Ito yung person na willing gumawa ng mali or mag-take ng risk, or maybe a person na with the hermit, puro major arcana guys. Virgo, Leo energy. But could be a friend. I just saw best friend energy. So etong person na to could be someone na parang naalala mo na mismo, but you have to, you know, i-ano mo yung mukha mo, yung parang yung mukha mo, pinapakita mo na parang baliwala lang ng itong taong ito, but deep inside you know the truth that you still do care, you still miss the person, kaya lang hindi mo kayang maging honest sa mga tao sa paligid mo or sa sarili mo mismo. The Knight of Cups is love mula dito sa person na kakonect mo, and the 7 of Pentacles, kasi nga pwedeng wala siyang idea about what is happening, what you are thinking right now, or dyan sa emotions na nararamdaman. Clueless, honestly. So, sabi ko nga pwedeng ang layo ng energy ninyo na dalawa nitong person na to. If you're in a relationship, nakikita ng person na to may nag-grow sa inyo, like that. And, ibig sabihin, pwedeng magaling ka kasi magtago. Magaling ka magtago ng emotions mo or what dito. Like, clueless siya or hindi niya alam na ikaw ay ganyan na. So, something is growing sa inyo. Ayun na tingin niya. Yung pala, iba na nasa isip man. So, what will happen in the near future for the both of you? You could be married dito sa person na to. I can see marriage here. In the near future sa inyong dalawa. The Queen of Wands and the 6 of Wands. What's with the Queen of Wands and the 6 of Wands? Knight of Pentacles. The near future, the Chariot, the Lovers, and the 7 of Cups. The Empress. And the Tower. 2 of Cups. 10 of Swords. Hindi ko, tatapatin kita, this is not, although sinabi kong future, of course, the future is, ikaw ang may hawak yan, ikaw ang gagawa nito. Ikaw ang bahala kung paano mo i-handle yung present moment mo para mangyari yung future for you. And the Queen of Wands, nakikita natin ito as an advice for you. No? With the Knight of Pentacles, medyo matagal tong connection na to. And with the 6 of Wands, nakikita natin na parang you want marriage, pagsasama, relationship, but yung iba kasi sa inyo, I mean, I can see you getting married or being married, pero parang for the status lang. Parang you don't fully like or love the person. Parang magkakaroon lang ng change of status pero yung emotions is hindi ganun kalalim. And the Empress is here, the Tower and the Ten of Swords. So I feel like someone here na may pagkakagusto sa'yo in the future or a relationship connection could end here. And it is because pwede mag-end kasi pwedeng yung person na kakonect mo, magkaroon din siya ng new beginning or new connection, new love, new relationship. And the Seven of Cups, I mean, you know what your dream is. Alam mo yung totoong gusto mo or what you're daydreaming about. Ano yung iniisip mo? Ano yung gusto mo talaga mangyari sa buhay mo? The Chariot is showing to me as you taking action. You need to take actions kung gusto mo itong bagay na ito, kung gusto mo itong relasyon na ito. Hindi ka pwedeng nangangarap or nagde-dream lang kasi that's your life, di ba? Number one gift na napakaganda na ibinigay sa atin is not just life, no? But yung freedom. You have this freedom na oo, sige, may mga nagko-comment, sinasabi nila, only God knows the future, no? But you still have this freedom, no? And choices in life. So, yung future nababago. Na sige, let's say itong future mo, but then kung yung present moment mo, iba naman yung choice mo or pinili mo or what. So, of course, mababago din yung future for you. Like, all in all, ang naggagawa pa rin ng future is ikaw mismo. So, your angel guides and your spirit guides, as much as possible, yung pinaka trabaho nila dito sa mundo is to guide you, to help you na mas mai-align ka sa future or sa dapat nakalalagyan mo. No, this is the future na written in the stars. This is supposed to be your future. Ito yung path na lalakaran mo. But, of course, yun yung guide, intuition, instinct na binigay sa'yo. Pero kung hindi mo gagamitan, baliwala. Yung future can change. And this is the change na dahil ikaw ang gumawa. And, yeah, you should take actions according sa intuition mo, according sa dreams mo or wishes mo. Because if not, nakikita natin, nothing is going to change. At, as if you're dealing with someone na wala kayong connection, I can see the possibility of an ending of a connection do sa taong yan kasi pwedeng siya, makahanap din naman siya ng iba at hindi naman siya mag-i-stay lang sa'yo, sa connection ninyo dahil alam niya sa sarili niyang hindi naman siya ang pinili mo. So, bakit magpapaka-stay pa siya or mangangarap pa siya sa'yo? So, thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.